Hi everyone, my name is Gautam Pradhan. My principal goal is to develop technologies that increase farm income of North Dakota producer by enhanced growth and yield of field crops under no-till dryland condition. Producers are familiar that planting date is very crucial. If you plant early or late, your crops will get bad effect due to the biotic and abiotic factors. Just for example, if you plant early, the spring freeze may damage your crop, so they will not grow well. And if you plant late, the post fall freeze may damage your crop and you won't get the yield. We started planting from the May first week. This is the third year I'm doing this experiment. So we either planted on May 2nd or May 3rd, depending upon the weather. And with a gap of 7 days, I am planting every week until June 13 or 14. This is the one that I planted on the day first. When I say day first, that is May 2nd. And the first plot is planted with variety 17009 GT, and this variety was not treated. But when I move to this second one, so this one is still the same variety, but I treated it with a fungicide before I planted. And the third plot here, this is next variety ND 18008 GT, and this was again treated with a fungicide before I planted. And the fourth one here is the same ND 18008 GT without seed treatment. So you can find all these combination of treatments in every day. So this particular station collects soil moisture and temperature data every 15 minutes. So the sensors are buried, you see, with these pipes. It's buried in 3 different places, and I'm going to have those data and average them together. I work with 7.5 inch, 15 inches, 20 inches and 30 inches row spacing, and there is no such disease problem in my experiments. I guess the reason is we have very little rainfall here, which is not conducive for plant diseases. From my 3 years of outcomes or results, I learned that for western part of the North Dakota, which is very dry, you can say we have only 13 to 14 inches rain annually. Then the eastern part, which has usually 20 inches of rainfall, 90,000 plant population, pure life seeds per acre, and 7.5 inch row spacing is far better than other combinations. I learned that varieties respond differently. So one variety was better when you planted in the May, but another variety that did quite well when you planted in June.